Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you how to optimize your eBay listing title. So firstly, open eBay application on your device and then enter selling section at the bottom side of your screen. Open all your listings and go to active ones. Select the item you want to optimize and tap edit button. So when editing your title, you need to start with the most important keywords. Simply think about what a buyer would type into the search bar when looking for your product. So your title should include the brand name, product type, model number, size, color, and any unique features. You need to keep your title natural and easy to read. Use spaces and avoid unnecessary punctuation like exclamation points or some symbols. Another important thing to mention is that you shouldn't waste space with words like, for example, wow or look. It's really unnecessary, so stay professional and direct. Use all the characters available without keyword stuffing. You should make every word count toward describing the item clearly. Also avoid abbreviations and position the strongest keywords at the beginning of your title because buyers often skim the first few words. And before you finish, double check for some mistakes or misspellings. And once you're happy with your title, tap Save button to update your listing. And that's basically how you can create a powerful, optimized eBay title that will grab buyers' attention. I hope this video helps, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.